What's up and welcome to Gift Makumbi BHR. So, today we're going to talk about Amazon PPC strategies, the ultimate guide for 2022. Have you been wondering how people make money on Amazon? Have you been wondering what can I do to make money on Amazon? So, this is what we do. So, real talk time. If you want to be successful on Amazon in 2022 and beyond, you need to have a good Amazon PPC. Management strategy. Under management strategy, Amazon pay-per-click PPC advertising is part of Amazon's internal advertising system. Through Amazon PPC, brands, agencies, third-party sellers can target specific keywords to create advertisement for their product, which appear in Amazon search results and competitor product listings. That way, sellers can present Amazon customers who are ready to make a purchase with relevant products at the point of sale, and then measure the ads performance to identify which specific ads are driving conversions. It's a highly effective marketing technique that 3 out of 4 Amazon sellers of all types of sizes utilize: the big sellers, the small sellers. To help you maximize your Amazon PPC strategy, here is what this detailed article will cover. Number 1, what is Amazon PPC? Number 2, why is PPC important for Amazon sellers? Number 3, how to create Amazon PPC strategy. Number 4, choosing which type of Amazon PPC ad is right for your business. Types of Amazon PPCs. Ads, targeting strategies, right? Amazon PPC, sponsored ads. You can use sponsored ads so that you can boost sales to your Amazon products, right? Sponsored ads. Among sponsored ads, there is automatic and normal ads. Normal or manual ads. Sponsored brands ads, sponsored display ads. The ultimate guide to creating sponsored product ads will take an extensive look at each of the different types of Amazon ads, how to set them, along with the recommendations for strategies that the Jungle Scout expert Amazon sellers use for their own businesses. Amazon PPC. Amazon PPC is advertising platform Amazon makes available to its third-party sellers. It allows sellers to create ad campaigns, right? Ad campaigns for their products, and then changes them each time a potential customer clicks and views their ads. Before we get into the details of PPC, though, it's important to understand Amazon's key PPC metrics. This is how Amazon describes each one. Number 1, advertising cost of sales. The percentage of attributed sales spent on advertising. This is calculated by dividing total ad spent by attributed sales. For example, if we spent $4 on advertising, resulting in attributed sales of $20, your ACOs, that's advertising cost sales, your ACOs will be more than 20%. That's $40 to $20 is equal to 0.2. When you divide $20 from $4 with $4, get 0.20, right? Attributed sales. Number 2, the total product sales generated within 1 week of clicks on your ads. Your sales data can take up to 48 hours to populate. So, as a result, sales data is not available in today's data range and may be delayed to the yesterday data range. You can view the individual sales totals for advertised products and other products in the campaign performance report. Impressions. Impressions. The number of times your ads were displayed once identified, it may take up to 3 days to remove invalid clicks from your reports. Clicks from the last 3 days may be adjusted due to click invalidation. The number of times your ads were clicked once identified, it may take up to 3 days to remove invalid clicks from your reports. Clicks from the last 3 days may be adjusted due to click invalidation. What is important for Amazon sellers? Why is PPC important for Amazon sellers? As a consumer, shopping increasingly shifts online, right? And overwhelmingly to Amazon.com, e-commerce brands and sellers have immense opportunity to succeed. But with that influx of online retail traffic comes with more competitors looking to capture the most sales. Having an effective PPC strategy, it is all but essential for Amazon businesses of all sizes. After all, there are over 350 million products on Amazon, and listings can easily get lost in the noise. And while your organic ranking, the place where your product appears in search results, naturally is important, advertisements help increase your reach on the platform. How to create an Amazon PPC strategy that will best outperform others. So you have to outperform others so that you can at least make some amount of profit. Okay? So here are the basics aspects of building a solid Amazon PPC management strategy. Number 1, test out each type of PPC. Add campaign and play around with automatic and manual keyword targeting to see what's best for your brand. Number 2, perform detailed keyword research using Jungle Scout's keyword scout, focusing both on related keywords and competitor products. When starting out, set daily budget and default bids 50 to 100%, higher than what Amazon recommends. Number 4, let ad campaigns run for at least 2 weeks before running reports and making adjustments. Use ad reports for your automatic campaigns to find keywords for your manual campaigns. Number 6, before adjusting or removing a keyword from a manual campaign, make sure the keyword gets at least 10 clicks. Number 7, continue reviewing your ad reports once a week, subtracting, adding, and adjusting keywords as needed, right? Choosing which type of Amazon PPC ad is right for your business. Amazon offers sellers several different types of Amazon PPC ads to use, which customizable targeting options. When starting out, we recommend that you try all the ad types available for you, especially automatic targeting ads and manual targeting sponsored product ads. These two ad types help you to get the best picture of what sorts of keywords and search terms you should target on Amazon. We will go over all your PPC options below, but first, it can be helpful to consider your strategy in terms of estimated return on ad spend, ROAS, especially when working with a constrained ad budget. In other words, you want to consider how much revenue you land in sales for every dollar you spend on your ads. Certain ad types and strategies yield a higher ROAS than others. For example, running sponsored brand ads generates the the most sales of all the PPC types, as do close and lose match keyword targeting strategies. The price of your products matters too. While ROAS generally increases with a product's price, those in the $21 to $30 price range hit a sweet spot with a great ROAS than both more less expensive products. Of course, it takes time to practice to optimize PPC strategies, PPC campaigns, and your mileage may vary. But knowing a ballpark return on investment can help guide your decisions. It can be difficult at first to figure out what specific PPC strategies will benefit your brand the most. 42% of Amazon sellers cite managing their PPC bids as top challenge in running their businesses. By trying out each of the ad types, you can find out what works for you and what doesn't work for you. Then, once you have enough data, you can remove ads that you won't feel aren't working while boosting those that perform well. So, okay, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for staying with me for all these 10 to 11 minutes listening to what I talk about on Amazon. So I hope you've gotten something that will help you while targeting to make some profit on Amazon. Okay, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.